Hello Athens! Welcome back to my channel, Ken or Philip. Simpleng tao lang talaga, totoong tao at very humble at down to earth na nilalang. Kaya naman, narito ang short video na nakipag-usap siya.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple bouncers, go on pizza.